Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Njovo and I'm a visual effects artist. I've been doing visual effects for about 10 years now. I'm into FX stuff. I'm a compositor, but I do a little bit of FX, distraction stuff, fluid effects and fluid simulations as well, and liquid simulations as well. I had a YouTube channel about 4 months ago, but I lost it. You may ask or wonder how. Most of you followed my old channel. My email got hacked. I reported it to YouTube, but my YouTube channel was already changed and the videos were locked, so YouTube thought I was a fraudster as well, so they just locked the channel. They just deleted it, and it was like it was never there. I felt really shattered and I felt really bad because it took me a lot of time to build that channel. It took me a lot of effort. There was a lot of tutorials that helped a lot of people there. So I just started from scratch, and even though I didn't feel the need to start, but I just did, and I started reposting old videos and making some contents, and people were requesting me that I do tutorials again, but I just didn't have the strength to do that, you know. But lately, I thought that maybe I should start, and maybe this might be your lucky day because I'm going to start doing tutorials again. If you're a VFX artist and want to know about how to create your own explosions, how to create distraction stuff, like bridges, building collapsing, and just pretty much visual effects related stuff, then this is the right channel for you, and feel free to subscribe because you're going to be updated about the content that we'll be posting. We'll be talking about short films, short VFX films. We're going to be talking about tutorials from beginner, intermediate and advanced, of course. So stick around and stay tuned for videos that are about to come.